So I'm going to slide off his bum over here, and when you're in the saddle there's this hump, and sometimes when you go over it, coming from being connected to the horse and this gap of not touching the horse and then retouching the horse, it freaks him out sometimes. So when you go over for the first time, it's good to be nice and gentle. Maybe for the first couple times, just be nice and gentle, nice and slow. Sometimes when you take your feet out, you might hit the stirrups, could freak him out, so just be aware of those sort of things. So it's the same as bareback, you just swing your legs around a bit. He knows the feeling of that, so he's like, oh yeah, I remember this, you do this normally. So then you slow down. Sometimes when the noise of your jeans in the seat, that could affect him, so that's what you just work on before you even attempt it. So he's alright with that. So we're going to go up, and I'm only going to do it like that and just go in stages. Good boy. So once you're over, there's no going back, you just slide straight down. Good boy. And you can do it a couple times over if you want, but just leave it at that.